international judge of the World Federation of Chefs and master of Chinese cuisine, will teach you how to cook egg fried rice with me. What's the secret? I don't tell this to ordinary people. Let us welcome today's chef, Chef Tung. Hello everyone! Big brother, when is your birthday? Me, August 8. You're a cute Leo boy. I am a typical Leo only. I am an Aries. Do you know what is the relationship between Aries and Leo? Lion likes to eat sheep. Let's introduce today's ingredients. Chicken, shrimp, crab meat, mushrooms, scallop, duck gizzard, ham, dried mushroom, bamboo shoots, spring onion, sea cucumber, and eggs. It's very simple. There are dozens of them. Master. 12 ingredients. We'll chop all of this into small pieces like a grain of rice. So, can I show off my knife skills? Okay, look at my cutting skills. Why did the plates become smaller? This is the essence of Yangzhou fried rice. This is called the Yangzhou egg fried rice. Make sure you separate the eggs first. With what? It's not just any egg. It has to be proportional. 5 whole eggs and 5 more yolks, that is the ratio. The egg mixture is yellow in color and it tastes better. Is it easy to do? It's easier for me. What about me? You can give it a try. The master has put the secret egg mixture in 30% oil and temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. Left hand is for the egg, right hand is for the ladle. Nice. Very good. Am I talented? You can raise the oil temperature a little bit more. Wow, I'm good. It didn't flip over. Turn up the fire. Okay, it can be poured out now. Ah, it almost flipped over. Press all the oil with pressure. It is first time. Is it okay? Very good. Master, do I have to use overnight rice to make an egg fried rice? Using the practical overnight rice is a misunderstanding. When you steam the rice, it's a bit dry and not too bad. Yes, that's right. Let's proceed to the next step. Fried rice is a very sophisticated dish. Go ahead. Ham, chicken, duck gizzard, mushrooms. Start with the first few ingredients, then turn up the heat. Add more mushrooms, bamboo shoots, crab meat, shrimp, sea cucumber, scallops, stir fry, then set aside. My trousers are stuck. In a new pan, add a little oil and put the mixed ingredients. Egg, then turn on the fire. Season with flavoring, add with rice, and mix it all together. That's the way it's done. Add some salt, a little of chicken powder, and increase the fire. Stir fry it again and add some soy sauce. Circularly around the pan, add the spring onions, then turn up the heat. It's okay, right? Ah, I'm too tired. I have eaten the best fried rice I've ever fried and cooked myself. Yeah, as we say in Shanxi province, the dragon head takes off. The dragon head takes off. So delicious. Poverty is only temporary. Remember to eat regularly.